Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which is based on the concept of extrapolation. It has been seen in the assessment proceedings that when the assessment is based on some search material and the searched party found some material relating to some period or in regard to some particular transaction, then the revenue tries to apply the same formula for the rest of the years also and for rest of the transactions also. The issue before Pune ITAT was that if there is allegation on the assessee and the assessee accepts in regard to that allegation in respect of a property sold that the assessee has received some on money transaction, so whether on the basis of that admission the extrapolation can be done for rest of the properties also and for other years also in the absence of corroborative evidence for the other transactions. This issue has been decided by the Pune ITAT A bench in the case of Minami Ganga Builder LLP versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. This case is reported in 138 ITR Tribunal at page number 662 and the date of the judgment is 7th February 2025. The facts of the case are like this. In the present case, the assessee is a real estate businessman. A search occurred at the premises of the assessee, and in that search, the statement of a sales manager R was taken, who admitted in his statement that the assessee has received over and above the sale deed the money in cash for the property sold. The statement of the partner of that LLP was also recorded, in which the partner denied those on money transactions. When the assessment was going on, at that time the assessee admitted that in respect of one property he has received some on money and he offered that money for the taxation also. On the basis of that single transaction, the assessing officer made the addition on the allegation that the assessee has received the money over and above the sale consideration in respect of other flats also and for other years also. The assessee pleaded that the revenue do not have any evidence regarding that and the extrapolation should not be done. But the additions were being made which were being upheld by the learned CIT appeal. When the matter came before the tribunal, the assessee pleaded that in the present case, the assessing officer has made addition on the basis of extrapolating the figures in respect of a flat. The assessee pleaded that in the present case, the persons to whom flats were sold were never examined by the searched party at the time of search. They were not examined even after the search, and even the assessing officer never examined those persons during the assessment proceedings. The assessee pleaded that the assessing officer has grossly failed to confront the discrepancies in the booking forms, and the assessee pleaded that on the basis of the booking forms the additions have been made. And the assessee also said that sometimes it happens that when the persons comes and book the flat, so the same flat can be booked by two persons because some payments are not being received by the builder. So in that case, on the basis of the booking forms, the addition should not have been made and the extrapolation should not have been done. When the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal said that the searched party was failed to discover any cash during the search proceedings. So in the absence of the evidence regarding the on money received by the assessee, the additions made for the other years and the addition made for the various other properties were not justified. The basis for the deletion of the addition was that because the purchaser of those properties from the builder were never examined by the searched party, even at the time of the search or after the search or during the assessment proceedings by the assessing officer. So the addition cannot be made on the basis of surmises, conjectures and on the basis of extrapolation. In number of cases, the various courts and the various tribunals have come very heavily on the additions made on the basis of extrapolation, which is not allowed. The additions can be made only on the basis of the incriminating material found during the search. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Minami Ganga Builder LLP versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 138 ITR Tribunal at page number 662, and the date of the judgment is 7th February 2025. Thank you, friends.